Hello everyone, it's Amber here and thanks so much for tuning in to my Song Mashup Series. This is a series where I'll be teaching you 4 songs and how to play them using just 4 easy, simple, beginner-friendly chords. If this is something that you'd like to learn, then without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. So today's songs are all from the noughties, as you will also know them as the 2000s. We're going to be learning 4 great songs today from this era. The first thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you have a capo on the 5th fret if you would like to play along with me to these songs. Of course, you don't need to play the songs with the capo if you don't want to, but for the purpose of this lesson, just so that it suits my voice, I need a capo on the 5th fret. Jumping into the chords that we're going to be needing, we're going to be starting with a G major, moving on into a D major, next we have E minor, and C major. We're going to run those through again from G to our D, E minor, and C major. Now the strumming pattern we're going to be learning sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's put that strumming pattern with the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E minor, and C. One more time. Take a moment here to pause the video and to practice those chords with that strumming pattern. Once you feel confident, then join me in the next section of this lesson. I hope you have your guitars ready. Let's dive into those 4 songs from the 2000s, starting on that G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're cold, yes, then you're no. You're in, then you're out. You're up and you're down. You're wrong when it's right, black when it's white. Fight, we break up, kiss, we make up. You don't really wanna stay, no, but you don't really wanna go. Oh, you're hot, then you're cold, yes, then you're no. You're in, then you're out. You're up and you're Well done everyone! Thanks so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. 4 chords with 4 awesome songs. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Pop down into my comments and say hello. I love hearing from you. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye!